Porcelain is the perfect primer to prep your skin. Glow is a true highlighter. We're going to put that on the brow bone, under the eye, and under where we would contour, also down the bridge of the nose and around the bow of the mouth. Bronzer is next for some contouring and warmth. Tulip blush from my cheekbones back towards my hairline. Now foundation. I know you must have been like, what is happening? We want to add the foundation last in this case because it's going to blend everything together. Look at that, just makes everything softly blend, blush, bronzer, and the highlighter. Setting powder optional. For this look, we're just going to use the gel side of the 2-in-1 Define Brow Pencil in brown. This super simple eye starts with prepping with the eye primer, then using Spark with our fingertips and pressing that against the lid and blending that up. Then adding a little pop of color with Iris eyeshadow under the eye with an angled brush. Tip, use a little primer first so that the color really pops. Finished the look with our favorite lip stain, Moroccan Rose, and topped it off with Prosecco lip finisher.